Kipulet riboy klakem no yu Prince Abraham Shiliang life sans nem ka kerta nakasnong Pahammawlein paduba social kurba anyu arsam ka kerta nakasnong omdap duki Halor kajingsha kano baikla donkti ban pyniap yu wei rangba nakasnong Pahammawlein ar phomer pabula sha pyniap dusman menha khandai trek matau benai kajingkam kipulet ikite ki arngot kadai hadin kajing budien patoket da kipulet banthwat di kirunar kibla donkti akate kampanya briew penban kate kla orlong hinin kamiet hakaba kipulet kla kem no ikite ki arngot wala kata kajing toket kadang ya khamat ban kem yo lesi da dan kiwei pat kibadan ketilang hakate kam
9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barnihat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile, Reboy district. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Elias Rangdong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members, and after that the police team started the investigation process. We also registered FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elias Rangdong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is the Prince Abraham Shiliang of 20th mile, Reboy district, and also Shri Sushil Kurba of Umdap Duki falls under the Reboy district. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So, along with the available technical tower dams and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, the Reboy police yesterday, that is on 22 night, around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case, and also the case under non-po PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Reboy that Reboy police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. So far, these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we'll file the charge sheet against the accused person.